don't know, you're outside, Fox Media.
One David
Outside, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, biggest producer incoming, isn't it?
Yeah, man, upcoming, you see me? Let's look
Upcoming,
out.
not incoming, upcoming.
You see me? Yeah, I don't know where they are people. David and Empire YouTube, yeah.
What's vlog?
Vlog, I vlog this time.
Yeah, but we have vlog. Nah, Jack, you see me?
I can't tell. Yeah, I don't know where they are. I want to look at thing, you know, opening, food pot, irie pot. You see me? Yeah. In the middle town, yeah. We need this in our town right now, man. You see me? So you don't know we have a little spot in the middle town right now, we can buy some food. And you see me on a Saturday and a Friday. I hope them can come close to my job where we can get some food to eat, you see it? Yeah. Irie pot, man, you see it? Yeah. So make sure you come support. If you're not living at Middletown right now, you see me, we have a local Jamaican spot where you can eat some food, you see me? So me and my friend them and my co-worker them can have some food to eat. You see it? Yeah. Just order my food. Anton? David and Empire. What's up, people? Welcome back to David and Empire. And today, me are going one falls. One falls I know about, but I never been there before. You see me? I always see it on my Google Maps and thing. So me gonna try go around there and thing go search see how it look around there. You see me? So far me gonna drive. You see? What's up, guys? I don't know today, but there one falls named Falls Brooks. Falls Brook. Me have some water already. Me have to check it out and see how it stay. You see me? I show you the place so close here for. Me have some water over there. Yeah, like see some kids somewhere. So I go down here so. I probably say falls there. But you know, first me I come over here yesterday. No? I go see what's going on. You see me? What the falls set up. You have water here so. Water there so. The water there so. Come from up there so. But I think I down the falls there. We have to check out it out. We have to check it out. And see what's going on. Is it? So we are walking now. You know, anywhere the river them there, me find them, you know, Anton? You see, anywhere the river them there, we find them. So, here we are. Look, we are walk. I don't know which part is all eating still, but the water over there so still. Hopefully we find the falls. Yeah, it's a hiking trail. Hiking trail only. It's a hiking trails only. All others keep out. I mean all others. What you mean? And the river more, the falls more fine, but you know, should have to find the falls. Yeah. I think the hiking trail is not supposed to be big, you know. It's supposed to be small. That's it. Pray for me, guys. Hiking trails only. All others keep out. I don't know what that means. What that mean, guys? All others keep out. What that? What is? Guys, this one look dead end likes. Look water and it's a dead water. You see me? I don't know, we have to the adventure, you know. Others keep out. Be a picnic when up and down over here. A boy ride on bicycle come. A little boy ride on bicycle come. So see him. See him? I'm scared. He see me, so him stop. Hi guys. Yo, you guys know where the falls is? So me I try to ask the little pit name where the falls is. The man my ride fast, you fuck. Well, you see a little black you to that place and gone. I falls more fine right now. You see it. I'm trying to find the falls. I'm sure where I'm going. Hold on. Yeah, cowboy. Focus. Focus, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. There's one little dead river thing. One little stream running right there, so. We not see no falls, brother. The falls, me I try to find. The water stop, water now running, so. And let that trailer far. That trailer not supposed to far. It's supposed to lead me back out with the park there. Or something. Boy, I don't know what I do over here, so you know. But yeah, guys, I check in back when I find the falls or something. See? So far. So people might try to find the park a while ago, but now the falls should say. We could find no way to go over which for the falls there. So now we're going on a different one. The other one is just like probably 3 minutes away. Yeah. So me I'll link on the back, you see me? So much more trim star, you know. Yo, place hot. Place hot, man. So soon forward, we'll check in. Yeah, people, so it seems like we reached the falls now. I'll try to go around there. I turn on my mic. Yeah, people, so it seems like we reached the falls. I'll go around there right now, you see me? I hear it. Come here, so. I'm hearing it. I'm excited. I'm showing you what's going on over here, so. And look at tunnel there, so. You don't know me as I find the falls already. New spot. New spot this here, no? Okay. Mad. Yeah. Yeah, so you don't know, we find a new spot. Go look, you know? There. There, look. Understand? Yeah, people. So, go look. Look up here so go see what's going on. Be drawings upon the wall, them. One thing. You see me? Kind of slippery. You see it? You get the sound of the water. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Love it. Want me also find a spot them, you know? Understand? Yes, sir. Yeah, man, so they are going walk it. Understand? Water run from this so. Like this so. Pull down. Oh, sewage water that. The sewage water. I go out the place still. Can hear the sound of the water. So I'm down inside right now. I'm going to show you the graffiti, the graffiti them on the wall. The graffiti them on the wall, the drawings them on the wall. You know, some nice drawing on the wall and things. I'm showing them on the wall. You see me? Woo! Yeah. Now some graphic design on the wall. For the people like people draw. I don't know why them people them always draw some things, you know. Like some places where you see them go draw some things there for wonder, like wow. You see me? Sir. Wow, all over. That side there. I don't listen. Right on the two side then. There's some water leak from what, so I don't know what kind of sewage water that. But I'm going to go back up now one thing. You see me? Yeah. What will come back up? So guys, we actually reached the falls. You see me? Here's the moment of truth. I see. For the one we see, when we see online, water down there so. One look walking spot down there so. Over there so, I don't know if you can see it. Right there so. And then the highway there over there so. The highway is close by. You see me? So I'm going to go down on the falls. Now I don't have falls yet. Falls spot. Nice spot. Like somebody leave one towel over here. Somebody leave one towel. You see it? I'm gonna walk over here so. On that angle over there so. Hey! Yes, reach across. You see me? Come on, fish in the water, there, so. Fish in the water, guys. Fish in the water. Fish in the water, so guys. Some little small fish. All heap of them. Right in the water, there, so. This is where we come from, up so with the tunnel there. The tunnel is right also. You see it. Tunnel is right up there. Water come from here, so. You want to hill up there, so. Go around. You see it. So we are walking around, see me. I think, if me not wrong, I think the beaver them do this. If there's beavers in Connecticut, them kind of stuck up the dam because they want to store them water and build them house. So maybe beaver have a house under here, so. You see me? The beaver them may stock up the water for them purpose we build their house. Ooh. You see it? Yeah, people so. Don't know me. Risk it for the biscuit. You're out here, man. Give me a show now, I go and see me. Ah, you look this one. So the water come around. I go from here. Round and round and round. The water go down this one. Nice to go view it this one. Water go round and round. Nice. Jump off cliff, you know. Woo! Look at that view. Find that view there. On this one. I see me can go down this too. Oh look. I'm alone there, you know. I walk around the place. Nathan? Yeah, I never fear. Here's the bee. You know that bee's here. Wow. You can jump down, you know. You can jump down and climb down and do something. I'll go back up so. Water. If you have to jump down this one. I pray you can jump down. You see me? Yeah. Woo. You know, when I get fat already, we can't do jump too hard again. So we actually like, get closer to the falls. I have to watch me stepping because I don't know. I don't know if you not see the falls, but see the falls there. Down this so. And then I go down this so. You see? I step down. Falls is over there. This. Yeah, man. Want to take out my slippers and go in there, but you want something jumping on my foot. You see? First time stepping in this waterfall. Woo! Yeah, people, so you don't know we here. If you don't know me, I go and enjoy the view, you see me? Look at falls right there, so. And thing. And then you have the mini falls right here. Yeah. Yeah, that's all. See, I don't know people still there walk around. You see me? Look on the falls. Walk around on some thing like this. So you can walk over here sister. On this. Woo! The slippers, snail slip. Like this. Like somebody up this. Go down this. Right down this for me. Right down this. Oh. It make it look slippery. Whoa! Sink one tunnel this a while ago, you know. Right back in another tunnel right so. Now we are gonna look on it. Now I'm going down something fly out, Bobby. Look at small tunnel there. So. The water make a U-turn. The water make a turn so and go around. You can't go around it. You go under the highway up so. You can't go around it, but the slippers are slip. People come over here too, you know, some people up there so. Some people up there so. You just see some people come over here. They don't know me feel safe. Even though them people always shot you. You have to watch out for them, is it? Yeah, so that's every time there's some girls there and them look pretty. Look baby. There. Enjoy nature, you know? I say I take a swim people but I never come prepare for swim. You see me? Maybe the next day, another day I come take a swim by myself. You see it? Yeah. So people, we don't explore. This was just a short explore for me to do. The first time I come around here, I'll probably come back around here next time. I go home now. You see me? It was just a short explore adventure. You see me? Just come look around here. My first time coming around here. But you don't know. I know I never post a vlog in a long while. But I'm there the same way, you see me? We gotta try to get it right. We gotta try to get things right. And stay tuned for more vlogs. You know, it's summertime now. Mostly, I mean, not exactly summer, but mostly them time I kind of post more vlogs. So, just stay tuned for the vlogs them same way. And shout out to everybody that's been supporting. Like, subscribe, and share. You see me? Appreciate you guys. Please comment and like the video. Make me know what you want to like. You see me? So, make me know what you want to see me. See? What kind of content you want to see. So, with that being said, one of them knows. I'm out.